I'm Sam Burke, Corporate Chef for Meat and Livestock Australia. Today we're going to be doing a simple gnocchi lamb neck ragu. So we have our lamb necks in front of me right here, and first of all we're going to season and flour them prior to putting them in the pan. Salt, dusting of flour, and we want to give them a nice roll through in our flouring mixture. For our second stage, I'm now going to add some oil. So now we're adding our lamb necks to the pan to get a nice colour for our slow roasting. So I'm turning the necks around to get a nice even colour all around prior to putting in the oven. We've got a good colour on these now, and we're going to remove them and put them into our gastro pan. The next step is to make our sauce for our lamb neck. I want to make sure I get a good smoking point before I add my garlic and my other aromatics. I'll start off with some olive oil, garlic straight in now, followed by my onion. I want to really sear off these ingredients to make sure they're nice and golden and add plenty of flavour to our sauce. Next step, my celery, carrot, oregano, fresh basil. And I'm really folding these flavours so they all come together and give a wonderful result, because this is the body of our sauce. Got some good colour on those vegetables now. We're going to add the chicken stock to deglaze the pan. Our crushed tomato and our tomato paste mixture, our red wine, and finally to season, some salt and pepper. We're going to bring the sauce now to a boil so it can cover our lamb necks. It's time to add the sauce to the meat and cover and slow roast. Baking paper on top, and a nice tight wrap of aluminium foil ready for our oven. For this dish, I'm going to set it to 160 degrees for 3 hours on dry heat. So our lamb neck is now ready. And then pull our lamb neck out and just hold it from the top of the bone, and then the meat should just pull away and give us the lamb we require for our gnocchi dish. And now I'm going to put this meat into a bowl. We'll fold the sauce through our lamb neck, finish off with some fresh parsley. And now finally to put our plate together. Our lamb neck on top of our gnocchi and some fresh parmesan and a little bit of parsley. And there you have it, our beautiful lamb neck ragu with gnocchi.